Hey there, today I'm going to walk you through the latest feature in BarSight, creating batches and recipes on the fly. Traditionally in BarSight, you'd have to go into the brewery section, navigate to products and recipes, and create everything beforehand. Now with this new feature, you can start a batch without defining the product and recipe first. Let's get started by clicking New Batch, set location, it's my brewery, and in the product drop-down, you'll see the list of all the predefined products. For this example of the new feature, we're going to create a new product and we're going to call it Honey Lager. Scroll down to the recipe, and since we don't have any recipes defined, since this is a new product and a new recipe is automatically selected. Batch number, I'm just going to put in 780 with a starting date of today, and 5 beer barrels with an ABV of 4.8%. Now click Create Batch. A new window will pop up and just let you know that this is a new product and it's going to be creating everything from scratch. Are you sure? Click Confirm. And you'll see here the system will automatically create the new product, Honey Lager, with a blank recipe. The recipe includes 3 default steps: brewing, fermentation, and conditioning, each with one untitled task, allowing you to get started and put in ingredients right away. You can go into the batch operations, click Edit Batch Details, and we can add additional steps, set the equipment types, whether it's going to be brewing, fermentation, or conditioning, lagering, storage, unit tanks, all that other stuff is also available for the equipment types. You can add, rearrange, and even remove to suit your needs. And then even inside the steps, you could edit the step and add additional tasks and do the same reordering and deleting the tasks. With this feature, you can create batches and experiment with new recipes without being bogged down by too much data entry and having to do things beforehand. As a final touch, once you've built out your recipe for the batch, you can save it for future use by clicking Batch Operations and selecting Save Batch as Recipe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.